So hello again. Today we will see how we can download Fasta sequences from Ensemble website using wget command. So I will go to Ensemble website. Let's choose a human and I will choose download DNA sequence. So how we can, for example, I'm interested in chromosome 1 now. So I will copy the link address from here and then I will go to my terminal to install it using wget. So I will go to my terminal. I will use wget. I will pass the link that I copied from Ensemble website. Then I will try. As you can see, the file started to be downloaded. So now after the file finished to be downloaded, we can check if the file is already downloaded. So let's choose more to check the file. So as you can see, everything is fine. So in some cases, you may have more than one FASTA file to download. Let's try bash script to download more than FASTA file. So let's set with nano. I will write my script in my terminal. Download .sh. So the first line of my bash script should be like that to tell the system to use bash shell and execute this script. And next step, I will open an array to collect the links that I need, or fast files I need to install. So I will add the links later. Let's say here you can links. Then I will use, let's say, for loop. When I use hashtag, it's command. Download fast files. So I will say for URL or link in open parentheses, and then I will put $. URLs at, so I call the variant or the links from my array to do some process on these variants. Then I will use do wget $URL. Done. So going back to my bash script, I just added the link for the 3 Fasta files here in my links array. So I asked to install chromosome 1, 2, 3, and I made here for loop to install, as we discussed, to download different links using wget. So let's check if it works now. So I will use bash download.sh. As you can see, we started downloading chromosome 1, then it will start downloading chromosome 2 and chromosome 3. As you can see, the script finished downloading chromosome 1, now we are waiting chromosome 2. It takes some time, I think. So as you can see, the files are already downloaded. You have chromosome 1, chromosome 2, and chromosome 3. Let's try to check the files now. Let's check the last one. Use gunzip. I will use more to check my file. So it's fine. So let's try now another method. I will make file called files.txt. Okay. Then I will copy the files, the links of files to this file. Okay. So I will not use an array in bash now. So I can work directly from my terminal for links, let's say from $cat files.txt in here, sorry, do wget $links. Done. So as you can see, you can work directly from the terminal and download those files. So today we had an idea how we can download one Fasta file or multiple Fasta file using wget or bash script. Thank you for watching, and please leave us your comments or questions.